What's up, guys? Looks like time for an oil change on the car. Alright, let's pop the hood.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.
Put the oil cap.
No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
It's an air balloon now. It doesn't want to go in.
Leah, can you pop one? Ready? Try. Try again. Keep pushing.
Push.
Push, push. Oh, poop. Good job.
Now good job.
Hmm.
Stay in here. Oh,
Oh, okay,
no,
that one
this
blew
one
up.
got popped pretty good. Can you step on another one?
That's a little bit.
Just a little bit? That's the air balloon. It doesn't have any water in it. How about a white one?
Oh, did it go?
No, it's emptying out.
Oh. It's shrinking. Oh no, it can get you.
Here it is.
Rest, echoing around these.
Someone's humming back there. Leah, what do you have? Oh my goodness. Surprise eggs.
Surprise egg!
So cool. So we're heading to go eat $1 subs at Jimmy John's.
I hope they're for that price.
Are you hungry?
Yeah.
I'm embarrassed. This is how we calm her down, by singing to her and letting her know how pretty she is.
Fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
Yeah, he didn't really stop at that stop sign, did he?
No, or stay in his lane. Actually, it was a female.
Oh, well, that's too far away for me to see.
She didn't stay in her lane.
You're probably like believing that it's a female.
Unless the dude has no Adam's apple and long hair.
You saw the Adam's apple from there?
Yes.
Lack of
I
Adam's
can
apple.
actually see your mom's place from here too.
I love it so much. 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 I don't tell you how much I love. Listen to me. Don't pass you to me. I ain't too lost in nothing.
She lost her voice from singing too much. Alright, we just got here. Oh, they have a killer burger here, honey.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Let me show that. There's a killer burger right there. I want to try this place out, so we don't have to come back here. And we are heading to... Where is it? The Jimmy John's right there in the corner. It's right over there. Leah, you hungry?
No.
I'm hungry. Baze, you hungry? Don't hit this pedestrian. I just saved your life, bro.
Yes.
Oh, you hungry now?
No.
Still not hungry, huh?
Say
Okay.
yes.
Oh my god, there's a
I
line.
knew there'd be a line. I knew it, I knew it, and I knew it.
I'm not
Oh wow, there's a line goes out the building.
Through the highways and